be a game changer. These are the best large air fryers, the ones built for families, meal preppers, entertainers, or anyone who just wants more room, more power, and more flexibility in the kitchen. Each model here brings its own style and specialty, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your cooking needs. Let's jump straight into it. 1. Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart, 6-in-1 DualZone air fryer. We'll start things off with the Ninja DZ201 Foodi, one of the most popular large air fryers available today, and honestly one of the most cleverly designed. What sets this unit apart is the DualZone system, which gives you two fully independent 4-quart baskets instead of one single giant space. This allows you to cook two totally different foods at two totally different temperatures. So let's say you want crispy fries at 390 degrees in one basket, but you're cooking chicken that needs 370 degrees on the other side. The Ninja handles that without any problem. The real magic happens with Ninja's Smart Finish feature. It automatically adjusts the cooking times so both sides finish at the exact same moment. No waiting, no guessing, and no one dish is ready while the other still needs 12 more minutes. Everything lands on the table together, hot and ready. The 6-in-1 functions give you everything you need: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. That means you can crisp vegetables, roast chicken thighs, bake little desserts, dehydrate fruit strips, and more, all in one appliance. And it's not just about capacity. The heat circulation inside the Ninja is strong and consistent, so your fries come out golden, your chicken gets a nice crunch, and your veggies roast evenly without needing tons of oil. If you cook for a family, or if you're someone who likes batch cooking and meal prepping, the dual baskets make life so much easier. And even if you cook for yourself, having two zones helps cut down on total cook time because you can get everything done in one round. For many people, this is the perfect balance of size, power, and convenience. 2. Instant Pot 10QT Air Fryer 7-in-1. Next up is the Instant Pot 10-quart air fryer, a great choice for anyone who wants maximum capacity with a design that still feels compact enough for a countertop. At 10 quarts, this thing can handle a lot. We're talking large batches of wings, big servings of fries, multiple chicken breasts, or enough veggies to feed everyone in one go. It's ideal for families or anyone who hosts guests regularly. What really makes this model shine is the even, crisp airflow system, which pushes hot air downwards in a smooth, circular motion. This means your food gets crispy on all sides without cold spots or sogginess. If you've ever had an air fryer that forces you to shake the basket constantly, this is a refreshing upgrade. One of the standout features is the rotisserie mode. You can roast an entire chicken using the included spit and get that juicy golden brown finish that's hard to achieve on a regular air fryer. You can also use the rotisserie basket for things like fries or wings to help them tumble and crisp automatically. Because of its square-shaped cooking chamber, you get more usable room than you'd get from round air fryer baskets. It also makes placement easier. Food lays flatter, which means more even cooking. With its 7 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, you can use this machine for everything from holiday meals to quick weekday dinners. If you're someone who enjoys cooking for a crowd or just wants the biggest possible capacity without moving to a full toaster oven style, the Instant Pot 10QT air fryer is one of the strongest options you can buy. 3. Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven with grill. Now let's shift gears with something completely different. The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven with grill. Rather than a standard basket-style design, this model gives you a full mini oven experience, complete with racks, multiple tray positions, and a built-in grill feature. This is for people who want versatility above all else. With this machine, you're not just air frying. You're toasting, baking, broiling, warming, grilling, reheating, and essentially replacing several appliances with one. The inside is surprisingly spacious, big enough for a 12-inch pizza, multiple slices of toast, or layered trays of air-fried food. Because it uses oven-style racks, you get way more cooking surface than a typical air fryer provides. This makes it excellent for big meals, snacks for guests, or layered cooking. If you've ever tried to crisp breaded chicken in a cramped round basket and ended up with soggy spots where the pieces touched, this oven solves that immediately. Now, one thing that really pushes this model ahead of the pack is the grill feature. This isn't simulated grilling, it's actual grilling with real grill lines and real flavor. You can grill burgers, chicken, fish, veggies, sandwiches, all indoors without smoke, without needing a full-size backyard grill. And unlike traditional air fryers where you shove everything into a single deep basket, this feels like a proper cooking station. You can see your food clearly through the window. You can adjust the rack height. You can check, flip, rotate, swap trays, just like a full oven. So if you want one appliance that can serve as your toaster, air fryer, oven, and grill all at once, the Cuisinart is incredibly hard to beat. It's the most flexible and complete cooking setup on this list. 4. Instant Pot VersaZone 9QT Air Fryer 8-in-1. And finally, we have the Instant Pot VersaZone 9QT Air Fryer, a model that hits the sweet spot between single basket convenience and multi-zone flexibility. This is a 9-quart air fryer with a unique twist. Instead of being locked into one giant space or two permanently separated baskets, it gives you a removable divider that turns the basket into two separate cooking zones whenever you need it. This is perfect for days when you want to cook two different foods at the same time, but you don't want a dedicated dual basket system. Maybe tonight you're cooking two different recipes, but tomorrow you need one giant space for a huge batch of wings. The VersaZone gives you that freedom. The flat, wide basket allows food to spread out more evenly, which means everything crisps better. If you've ever overcrowded a small air fryer and ended up with steamed food instead of crisp food, you'll appreciate how much difference a broad cooking surface makes. With 8 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, this model handles everything from quick snacks to full dinners. And because the divider is optional, you're never stuck using a setup that doesn't match your meal. If you want flexibility, spaciousness, and a design that adapts to whatever you're cooking, the VersaZone is one of the smartest choices out there. And there you have it, the 4 best large air fryers, each with their own strengths and special features. Large air fryers are more than just bigger versions of the smaller ones. They're designed to handle full meals, bigger families, and real cooking challenges without the hassle. No matter which one you choose, you're getting faster cooking, better crisping, and an appliance that will quickly become one of the most used tools in your kitchen.